Experiencing issues with your Lorex app's live view? You're not alone. The most common cause is related to streaming and bandwidth. Let's break it down. The Lorex system uses two main streams. Mainstream, which is high resolution for local networks and needs 5 to 10 Mbps per camera, and Substream, which is low resolution for mobile viewing and needs just 1 to 2 Mbps per camera. If your live view isn't working, the first step is to determine if your internet bandwidth is sufficient. Use a speed test to check your upload and download speeds. A good starting point is that each camera on mainstream will require 5 to 10 Mbps per second. Another common cause is older firmware. Ensure your Lorex cameras and NVR DVR have the latest firmware version 4.001.00 or later, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Many users, around 70%, resolve live view issues simply by updating their firmware. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Lorex app live view issues, try switching to Substream for remote viewing. Substream uses less bandwidth, making it ideal for mobile connections. Look for the Optimize Stream feature in the Lorex app, which automatically switches to Substream when bandwidth is low. Investigate your network configuration. Ensure port forwarding is correctly set up on your router to allow video streams. Check that UPnP is enabled on your router for automatic port forwarding. If you have many devices on your Wi-Fi, consider upgrading to a mesh router like Eero that supports load balancing. For complex setups, use load balancing systems to distribute network traffic evenly. For advanced users, adjust bitrate settings in the app to cap at 4 Mbps and prevent network overload. Upgrade to newer Lorex models that use H.265 encoding for more efficient video compression compared to H.264. Ensure your mobile device meets the minimum requirements for the Lorex app, such as Android 11 or later. Consider cloud-based hybrid viewing available on newer Lorex models for improved reliability. For persistent issues, contact Lorex support with details about your system, network setup, and troubleshooting steps taken.